Before you begin, you should lower the rear window so it is approximately 5.5 inches up from the sill. You will also need to remove the rear door panel. Please see the link at the end of this video for further instructions on performing that work. With the door panel off, unplug and remove the speaker from the door. It is held in place by 3 T20 Torx screws as indicated by the red arrows. Carefully peel back the membrane from the door, leaving the sticky stuff or beetle as indicated by the red arrow, as you will need it to reinstall this membrane later. With the insulation out of the way, you can see the door handle bracket, red arrow. The window regulator and guide clip is located behind this bracket. Insert a T20 torque driver through the access hole and remove the bolt that holds the window to the clip. No matter how carefully you remove the clips, there is a good chance one of them will break, red arrow. So it is a good idea to order replacements before you start. Separate the glass from the clip and pull the glass to the top of the window frame and secure it there, red arrow. You're going to have to drill out the 3 rivets that hold the regulator in place, and you do not want to worry about drilling into the glass. Drill out the 3 rivets, red arrows, holding the regulator in place. The regulator sits in a slot, yellow arrow. Lift it up and out to free it. Disconnect the wiring harness by squeezing the connection, red arrow, and pulling it apart. Turn the regulator sideways and lower it to the access hole in the door. Carefully remove the regulator from the door through the lower cutout. This photo illustrates the regulator out of the door. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.